Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to register for Tim's gift card. So first of all, what you have to do is simply launch open Tim Hortons application, or you can also open Tim Hortons in the browser. If you also want to open it in browser, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice, click on the search bar and type in timhortons.com. After that, you'll be led to the official website of Tim Hortons. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Now over here, you'll be able to find several options like menu, franchising, Tim's catering, more. Simply click on the option more. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. Out of these options, find the option for Tim card and click on it. Now you'll be led to the Tim card interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. Find the option for Tim card account. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for login. Simply click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the login interface of Tim's gift card. If you already have the account, you can log into your account. But if you want to register for the Tim's gift card account, what you have to do is click on this option, register. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official consumer account registration interface. All you have to do is fill in these details in order to register for your account. First of all, you'll have to enter the personal information. So first of all, enter the first name. Likewise, enter the middle name if you have. After that, enter the last name. Now you can also enter the company if you want. This is completely optional. Also, you can select the date of birth if you want. This is also optional, but you can select it if you want. Now after you do that, you'll have to provide the contact information. Enter the phone number, click on the field of phone number. Now enter the phone number over here. Now after you enter the phone number, what you have to do is click on the field of address line 1. Now what you have to do is fill in the address line 1 over here. After you do that, you'll also have to enter the city. So simply enter the city over here. Likewise, select the province, click on the field of province. Now you'll be able to select the province from here. Now you'll have to enter the postal code. Simply enter the postal code over here. Likewise, enter your email. Click on the field of email and enter the email over here. Make sure to enter the correct email address. Now confirm the email. If you would like to receive the information and offers, you can check on this box that you can see right over here. Now simply scroll down. Now you'll also have to provide the user information. First of all, enter the username. The username must be minimum 8 and maximum 20 characters. Now after you do that, create a password for yourself. Your password must be minimum 12 and maximum 20 characters. The first character must be an alpha character. It must contain at least one number, one uppercase character, one lowercase character, one special character, and must not contain more than 2 consecutive repeating characters. So create the password accordingly. Now confirm the password. Now after you do that, make sure to check on this box, I'm not a robot. Now after you're done filling all the details, click on the option register that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to agree to the Tim's gift card terms and conditions. Simply click on the option agree. Now you can see over here your registration request has been processed successfully. You'll receive an activation link via email. So what you have to do is click on the OK option. Now in order to activate your account, you'll have to go to your email. So go to new tab. Click on the search bar, type in gmail.com, press enter. You can see over here Gmail has been opened. Tim Hortons has sent me the email. Simply click on it. Now in order to activate your account, click on this link that you can see on this email. Now you can see over here your Tim's gift card account has successfully been activated. Simply click on the OK option. Now you can log into your account by providing your username and password and verify the CAPTCHA. Now after you do that, click on the Go option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your Tim's gift card account has been registered. If you want to register a new Tim's gift card, what you have to do is scroll down. Now over here you'll be able to find the section for register a new card. From here you'll be able to register a Tim's gift card. All you have to do is enter the card number and PIN. So first of all, click on the field of card number and enter the card number over here. Now after you enter the card number, what you have to do is click on the field of PIN and enter the PIN. You can also enter the card description if you want, simply click on the field of card description and enter it if you want. Now after you fill in the information, you can click on the option register that you can see on the screen. After that, your Teams gift card will be registered. So that is how you register Teams gift card. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.